All right, so let's see what else can we fix here. Let's update this you have 5 tasks, which was hard-coded earlier on. I'll go back here. In my header, this is where we were providing our pending task count. We'll actually make this filtered task dot length. And this is how many items that are pending. Nope, not exactly. This needs to be tasks dot filter all the ones that are not done, t done, and then whatever comes out of this is where we show the length. If I hit save, now it says you have 2 tasks that are pending. Regardless of what I toggle on and off, it's still 2 items that are pending. Now, what if I wanted this to read you have, or you're seeing 2 or 3 out of 3? Let's go ahead and update this. Let's see where we would find it. Should be in the header. And let's change the properties of what we're seeing. Let me actually do you are seeing. Call this visible tasks count. And let's update the rest of the text here to say out of. And this is tasks count. So now I need to receive these 2 as properties into this component. All right, let's switch back to the app. Now, the header does not actually pass in pending tasks count. It actually passes visible task count and all task count. So this is going to equal whatever the filtered tasks.length is. And this should pass whatever the tasks.length is. We can now get rid of this because we're no longer accepting it at the header or in the header component. We only have name, visible task counter, and the task counter. Let's save and see what we get now. Right now it says you're seeing 3 out of 3. If I toggle this to only show me the ones that are done, we automatically get you're seeing 1 out of 3. Again, we're only defining the state of our application. We don't have to imperatively explicitly tell each component how it should handle those updates here.